vlog. We have just arrived at Skytop Orchard. We are up in the mountains, so it is also very packed. Wait, it's about almost 11. They opened at 9. We checked out and we went down and looked at the lake since we didn't get to see it yesterday due to the weather. We have just arrived. We're finding parking now. Ooh, I'm excited. This is the first time we've come to this one. We go apple picking every year. That is like a tradition of ours, but we go to different ones. So this is our first time here at Skytop Orchard. Very excited. They have Honeycrisp, Gala. They have different varieties right now. I love the Gala. We're gonna get unpacked. I see some grapevines too. We're gonna get unpacked and then I'm gonna see you guys as we start walking. Let me see how tall this fall. Go stand up to it. Let me see. Ooh, you almost 3 feet. Turn around. Let me see you. You almost 3 feet, Ava. Oh, you are 3 feet. All right, come on. Let's go find a potty. We got hens and chicks. Ooh, that's cute. Girls got donut. What are you having?
Apple cider.
Apple cider. So we just got in. Of course, the first stop was to get them donut, and then we paid for our bag, and we're gonna head into the orchard and start finding some goodies.
When you gave me that apple pie, when you gave me that.
Let me take your picture.
How tall am I?
You're almost 4.
Echinacea! It's dying though. Ours is dying too.
Yeah, I already cut ours down. excited? Ava's upset 'cause she wants another donut. They only come for the junk. Granny Smith. It is hot out here, you guys, so we're taking a little break under this little shelter. We are about to go to the gem mine. So they have a bunch of crystals here, like rose quartz and amethyst, rubies. So we're gonna go pick through them. They give you like a bucket of, I don't know, it's like mixed in sand, and then you run it through the water and you search for the gems. So we're about to do that after we take a quick break. And then we're going to continue to pick some more apples.
So we're going to bring the gems home.
So we'll show you the gems that we find after we go gold mining. We have one small bucket. You got the code? I mean the coupon? Thank you. Look, come on, Ava. Alright, we gotta find us a spot. Come on, Ava.
That's a dragonfly.
Look, this is the gems in here. Alright, we gotta try to find us a spot. Right here should be a good spot. Hold on, we gotta get the bags out. You don't want those to get wet. So you put that in there. Oop. So, here, Ava, you get a shovel in yours. Move your arm for a second.
Come on, Jaja.
We're all done mining. This is what we got so far. Let me see the card.
And this is what we never noticed. Obsidian was a ore. their feathers.
No, they're looking for the food that people have thrown out.
Time to go in the maze.
The bamboo maze. Pay attention to where you're walking, okay? That is why. Just as I said it. There's stuff to trip on, so pay attention. Ooh, look at the cool little bridge.
Get pictures.
So, they don't look good, they drop them. Pick some? Ooh, we got some good ones.
I got some.
Now, it might be in the higher elevation. That's what I was wondering. But I don't know what.
Whew, it is hot out here, you guys. Taking another break. The girls are currently at the little playground that they have here. It is super hot. They've had the treats. They went apple picking. They went mining for gems. Now they're wrapping it up at the playground. We have some lunch in the car that I packed, so we're probably gonna eat that and then we're gonna be hitting the road. It is hot out here, but it was beautiful. The views are beautiful. Really nice place. I'm glad that we ventured out and tried a different location this year. So I've been wanting to come to this one for some time, but since it was kind of a distance away, we always went to ones closer. But we finally made the commute this time and I think it was well worth it. The views are amazing and the girls are having a ball. So we're gonna hang out here for a little bit longer and then we're gonna hit the road.
Amethyst and Ruby. This is the back of Ruby, and this is Amethyst, and this is Ruby. And this Ruby is smooth, and this one is bumpy on the back. Comment down below which one do you like the best. And here we got some gold on hers too. Gold is very special. Yeah, forget my one. We got some obsidian on our plate. Mom, do you want me gold? Oh, I dropped my obsidian. That obsidian's wet. That's okay, because I got some shiny. Shark tooth kind of looks.
We made it back home, you guys. The girls are just looking through their gems, comparing what they have. We're gonna get all settled in, showered up, and I'm probably gonna end up on the couch because I'm not even gonna lie. Today's trip wore me out. I'm thankful that I don't have to cook, so I'm about to heat up some leftovers. Ooh.
Yeah, I got it clicked on.
I'm gonna end this video here, you guys. Thanks for hanging out with us today. Apple picking. Don't forget to hit the like button. Meet me in the comment section. Subscribe. You guys know the deal. And I'll see you in the next one.